Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful Pinecone crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start with videos. So friends, my first idea is viewers. So viewers, Pinecone flower. Paint the Pinecones with the bright color like pink, yellow, or purple. Add a green paper, stem, and leaves. Your Pinecones will look like a lovely flower. Cute owl. Use two small googly eyes and a tiny paper's beak. Add felt wings. In just a few minutes, you can make an affordable owl. And reverse Christmas tree. So friends, paint the Pinecones green and decorate it with tiny beads, glitters, and small stars. Add a string to hang it on the Christmas tree. Turn the Pinecones sideways. Add a clay face, small ears, and black eyes. It's become a cute little crafts fairy decoration. And the weavers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. Sorry, next idea is weavers. Pinecones. Fairy decoration. Attach paper on fairy fabric wings to back of a Pinecone. Add a wooden beads of the head. Add a draw smiley face. Now you have a magical fairy. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz.